Hello. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How na day? How you all doing? Make I quick share the video before people start to the gather. How na day, my people. Please join and share the video. Okay, give this video love and like and share. All right. Why they say so? Okay. Please give the video love and like and share, oh, my amazing people. Me want to talk now for the ongoing issue, ongoing matter, ongoing saga where God bring for all presenters, all bloggers, make we take enjoy for our page. Okay. Doing or watching saga or posting saga doesn't mean it not mean say now because of money you dey do one. All right, every living things now no say social media, the saga where we dey do or the video where we dey do now, we are just doing it for video sake. She know they come at cover we wash, you know, the inside. We are just doing it based on our occupation, you know. And we need to tell people out there the truth and nothing but the truth. How na them amazing people. Please, as you are joining, give those videos thumbs up, love and like, and also help me. Do me well to share to your lovers, to your WhatsApp, everywhere, your family. Let me share the video. Guys, I believe say una don't already know what they go on for some time, for some days about this trading issue about Nelly Black and Monica and Susie and Queen Ritoto and Beatrice Ogbaika and every other person we go involve. Abemona join. I know say na me dey talk as e be. If I don't talk as e be finish, they say Queenie, you dey fight for Queen Rita. Iya mi obo mi ere mi owe mi miza boya gbena ne Queen Rita because Obiere she not even dey here na thanks for joining Mama Adeso at thanks for joining. She not dey here now. The way she even take they carry me, she never even carry any presenter like that. The love way she they show me, even big platform. May we tell ourselves the truth. The love way Kurita they show me way your small so when I say big platform that they fight her because of that love. May she call they give them. She abandoned them. Omafiania. She not give them that love. Ona we queen ifi ania. Inye ma jolosinya bungbe. Now you are one they show this love. So then if me can see where they accuse her wrongly, when I will come say, this thing not good or based on presenter, when I also be some people, if you have me gear na filo kwa we busy very different places. In we queen you are fighting for Queen you they fight for Rita. Now this issue where they go, I will not support anybody. I want to tell you the way it be. Okay? Because it can't even be say now people where don't old. When I'm talking about people where don't old from 49, 50. Okay, let me just say from 46, 47, 50. Now they spoil this media. Yes, now they spoil this media. Thanks for joining my amazing people. Now good afternoon. People wanna feel say or where we go feel say this person I go feel repair this media or this person go feel do this one for now then they spoil this media. And who are those people from 46, 49, 50, 56 to short to 56? E mata wa remi why ti betia me go call the imagine say is it that these people don't know the truth where they this matter be they don't want to talk? Now, my people, this what is that they call it Nelly Black matter way happen so everybody see the way it happen. Even me, I come outside, I do video for Monica. I tell Monica, I say, Monica, if you can remember, even if you want, I'll share the video again for my platform. I'll go share and don't I'll share it today. I tell Monica, I say, this thing where you they do so, it not good though. Before you involve for this Esther matter, your fans na if they inside. All of them, even both those spicy chicken, I be waiting they call them, all those ones, all of them they support Edward, which Monica know. Even now through those ones platform, Monica tell no say something they go on between Edward and Estekia. Yeah? Okay, you now say Monica, you want analyze those issues. You want even talk you want put your 10 cents. Where you can't buy the whole case, put on for head, they all can they go. Those spicy, where we say they don't first support Edward, you can't want, make them just wake up one morning, come to say, Edward, you are no longer a person. Now, Esther, now be better person. When you yourself get platform. When you yourself know what they buy platform. When you know, say that kind of thing, talk here, you know they good for platform because people will not they address or will not they talk to or will not they analyze issue for, they not be mumu. You know, Monica, you know fully well. All this issue where they talk now, people they tell say, nah, the black find trouble. Now this one. Monica, now you find trouble. You not see you tell you truth. Since you not see you tell you truth, me now I can't tell you the truth. Because you see since this matter happen, I not top it. I just do like say because I just do say, those say if anything they happen for this Facebook, even me last week, I be last 2 weeks. Now some of my fans where God will bless forward some videos to me say, Queen, where you put here, Monica, they analyze your video, they insult you for that side. I tell them say make sure they analyze. Now I turn, now she they rain. After all, now my matter this street. I won't go come. Me too. I go on platform. I go come to put. But since where this Nelly matter happen, una see me come to put for Monica issue. No. No be say if I want to put I know fit. Like all those posts where Nelly come they post, they talk. If to send a Monica, now it be me. She go use that thing, do video. She go use and do read. She go use and do topic. She go use and now once they tell they know who hungry they beat me, I not there that category. I do my presenting for fun. Not before say million all of fun. No say Facebook no they pay me. Now, when this whole issue happen, before Monica even open door come aside, we don't already did the streets. We don't already they support Edward. Yeah, we don't already they support Edward. Not be even say we they support Edward. We see the truth of waiting they go on between Esther and Edward. We know if you can talk now and say, oh, Esther, they sing music, may we support Esther, leave Edward. No, because we know say now Edward na wrong. Everybody for this media supported Edward. Because why? Edward was right. Esther was wrong. Only this Monica, before she come out, she come meet people for the case. So, Bo her fans, Bo will not be her fans. She come meet all of them for the case. Even Beatrice Ogbaka, she come meet all of us for inside the case. Say, we don't dey inside since they analyze us, present us what will be. As it happen. Not be say this one say, we they do and say because of Pepper, they know. No. Okay? Monica now come out. What did she can do? She want to talk, say, the Edward where all of us they support, where be the innocent, we not get sense to the support Edward. Say now Esther, nine be the best, nine good pass. Come go they bring a year audio, they can say, now so that one give her work 300 years, that one use and dump. Now me come ask and say, now today the thing happen. Now they get me so I can't ask her. Now today the thing happen, Monica. We be say now today you come they tell us now. They explain say now so this one now so Ikparu come beat you for this side now so what happen. Now today the matter happen. Are you forgetting me? May I come on this water? Oh no, just the look. You can see, you cannot touch. Alright? Me can say now today the whole thing happen. Now I can say, this one. She no even, Monica no even reason and say, her fans already there on this issue. A lot of them already they support Edward. Okay? Amaru do woman rie ma aru de ma you woman. I better say talk that be. If not me, I could just use shame. Or even if I know some of my fans already did one side. Me now I need to do those videos because I need money. I'll just use shame. Take do like say walare why it's a very honey, why the babokpa. Esther with ma just that or stubborn. But you get where you take talking. You no go offend your fans. But Monica come at he can't they do one say because a word now Ishan people no good. For those of una we no know as this matter happen. Una know say me, yeah, whatever no, even if na 20 they look me, if not because of say that they report my platform, I know my words. And me too. Me and they a platform in me a lady ya fi campo. Anywhere they feel carry, me they carry. If they not feel carry, even if na 3 people they look me, I go talk. So don't panic about the views, now the reports. A platform in a so why watch a video now. Yeah, watch a video in my platform in a hospital, yeah, admission. Need you when depression. So don't bother about the views. Listen to what they talk. Now they get me to my people. Now, Monica not even pretend say, my fans already they talk that you know, near the back pan away. Monica we my way, I back pan your my way. Where you are like you come at Esther is a very good person. Now this same Monica now turn out to tribal war. Or tribal saga. When she knows, say, Edo people where she already gets before. Anyone here total, Iana yasan beg. Iana bomedi for. That is the Edo fans where she gets before. Any yasan beg. Iana fear for. Who can go rescue her? Ishan people. More than they listen now to you might be on. Who go rescue Monica? Ishan people. Why wow? Now our brother wife for Mona not payamo. Now our brother wife for Ishan people. Come rescue Monica. Come off where do people want. Iana Daji, women like Beatrice Okpaika, a lot of them. All those other men, they be Ishan. All this Nelly Black, they be Ishan. Nenemi. Even some few Ishan where see remain with Monica, so those like Costa, all those on the Ishan. They not be Benio, they be Ishan. And then any hour we gbekbo, Iyakba, they be Ishan. Una they get me. And now the Ishan people where they Monica platform where not they do pepper them. They come see and say, una not say Ishan people they do one thing. If you think say Ishan they call the Esan, but Isha maybe the real Esan person can never join you, Benin person. Can't beat Esan, never. For your history, for your life, if you like, be their God safe. Isha person, let's say you don't know them. Isha no go fee ever for life join you, Benin person, beat the fellow Isha. Especially the one where not be presenter. If not the one where be presenter, where we say the woman Aisha na presenter, I don't feel offend a lot of people. Isha people feel closer and say, okay, do as you like. Word not be Isha. Word not be presenter, my people. Word not the 5 person trouble. Word stuff they do how they go. Monica can't say she they do one before. They bring anybody they can't give her fast. Inya kokogbe kinye kivie sanya your boy kanya sole yawa. You think the way you they carry your Edo people go they give your Esan fans make they help you nyagande. Now you think say they go still join you nyagan word. My people, when it can reach time for Monica fans will be Ishan to join Monica saga word will be their Esan person. Now be the wala where they Facebook, so those ones no agree. Those ones they no agree. Except the one where be say Monica already write their phone number, their family house, their bank account. Una remember say Monica get one trick where she take the cash them. December like this, Monica go write list where go long from here to outside. He go say Osato Philip, I go send you 10,000. For imagine they do, he say, you are 100% correct. Asian people are the people behind. Now they remain there. Nobody. Benin people, we don't beat and throw away. Now we beat and throw away. Give them now. We beat and those ones not go rescue and say why now our husband people. Now we take carry and give and now as we be our husband people. Now we take leave those Asian people. Now they get me. The ones one and see they do pure like people like Spicy. Me just as I did there with Monica they read Spicy Okpo on the Yogi Spicy 10,000 Spicy Okpo 10,000 Spicy Okpo ma give no came out more information there quarter if you do any I go collect salo boy e give away ya na one your boy Monica can't do that thing they feel say Monica want support them no Monica want find the rich house sometimes you go buy small chicken. If you are connected, go say, make their parents go, they carry you when you did Europe. Woman like you go come write on a name for list. Go say, send your man go, send your brother go. Why he not just send you the money for account? You where they go, now you don't know, you don't already tell us anybody will come. Why video here? When you have, they don't video na family keep. Now those ones na sisi say, you see they follow and now they say, hey, Monica, not be say they don't know, say what Monica they do is bad. Not be said they don't know, they know. This Nelly Black so we come out for Monica camp, my people. Now because say Monica that one they say na fake account. Fake account get fake account na very powerful fake account. Where be say fake account where be say it don't day for this those cyberspace for years. Argue anniversary argue any because all those ones they don't that is. Imagine picking where they born for 12 years. 12 years picking. How many remain we go university? Talk less of fake account of 12 years. Any graduate in it. They be confirmed graduate. Even before, I hear say they say that they call her a Google interpreter now. Yeah, they say she did learn it. She's a read and write. She did write her. You even bad say she already do online before she go that school finish. Yes, now 12 years, the rich person to take go school. Even though you not first have spell your name, you go school, you graduate, you do everything. Now they get me. Now, I wanna see where some old Okpo matter for the verse me on this Edo cyberspace. Where some old cargos, old Boromoto matter for the verse me for this Edo cyberspace. Now, issue they go on. Everybody they talk put. Everybody get right. You get right to your opinion. This is your illustration. I got. Thank you, Mama Gloria. Thank you. For this, our boss. You know, say me I go tell them the way it be. This our boss cyberspace. Everybody get right to their opinion. I feel your comment now say na Nelly Black na wrong. Monica, you are right. I feel comment now say Monica, you are wrong. Na Nelly Black right. You understand? But sometimes if you want to pass judgment, not pass on because of say, oh, this one am my own, this one not. No. Because you don't know the people that your judgment go affect. You don't know people where they look up to you, where that your judgment go spoil their mood. So before you do something, first of all, think your environment. Think your environment. Now, let's go to all this day where they cry, say, Rita, come they analyze Mama Beatrice, is it Beatrice or Paika? We don't call her, we see they play because me, I never to follow up online, but let me call her Beatrice or Baika. Yeah? Now, Beatrice Ogbaika de Nigeria. Now, everybody knows who de Nigeria, not they get time for Facebook. Because enjoyment, everything they saw there. That one and one. Nelly Black, they post a word, they show a word love, they show a not be only, this is so when they tell they fight Nelly Black. Not be only Nelly Black, do one more. Spicy Okpo also do the same thing. Spicy Okpo also do the same thing. When this whole matter happen, he even cost Monica Sote. He can't insult. He insult Monica Sote until Monica can't come out, can't threaten them. Say you when you just the right they go so. I no go talk to you. The day when you go come back, maybe we dey do another topic, you come back, I'll come see you for a year. Now that day I go beat you. Monica can't use that one, threaten those fake accounts. When she know fully well, say, those fake accounts, all of them support her word. And she know, say, the insult where all those ones they write, now only Monica head, now they write, now she they insult. Because for this full media, now only Monica support Esther, no other person. If another person, they wanna show me. Spicy Okbo, you when you go now, they insult Nelly Black for Monica. If una they do like uno guessings, things go wrong between Monica and this. You not feel do like say you no see her. You forget say you yourself you insult Monica. Now this one now goes to the day where come outside. Una no say I see why the day where saying go fit beat Queen Rita enter house. When say go fit saga Queen Rita enter say he get this where people never talk about Queen Rita before. Now she fit talk can. Una no say na time no say over sabi make a gbede shot. Igwe se no yekbuwe CV. Una de get me so. That a day so way come out. Me particularly, I know how many times that a day saga Monica. Yes. Na do me ni ye you pongwe. Na make Monica no even reply that a day. Na that a day na Monica be one fair bit. Not be even Beatrice Ogbaika. Where go Nigeria. Not be even Beatrice Ogbaika. The day where they benjo no we yeka. Wa gu weka. Mo yon do you who vie bomomo. That one no concern me. Emo gyo. Are you not ashamed of yourself? No we be those about person. Then your pan on Manuel Wema. If not be na ya buena diam we WhatsApp first record we are told the family. Which another thing you don't contribute? And then the two efuafu. Are you not ashamed of yourself? When we were basena, when me wanta umeti tie. Me wanta u seti we tie. They know we ha. It's a shame. It's a shame. Akpane gbuwe e uwe mufua. E oge Monica. Oge Monica okaro toni. Okpe na inene hu yoge Monica. Akpa no de Monica okpe na igbele hu nyani. Osi owe komi be boy be iwa be tie Monica. Uwe zua do totama zua. Yes. Because this is social media. If to say na some people be Monica. As me go they talk. I want to know that. No. And I cannot bring myself so low. Do you know how many times Monica have analyzed my video? Do you think Monica is analyzing my video because she hates me? Do you think Monica is analyzing my video because she do saga past me? Do you think Monica is analyzing my video because she thinks she can do me anything? No. Monica is analyzing my video because she knows, say, she go see small money take chop for that. Monica, they will analyze my video because she knows, say, $2, $3, $5, $10. Okay, video Mary. That is why you see her, they hang phone. Even that thing where they do. Now me don't they learn. Now I don't they learn for almost 3 days. I have laptop. HP now they use. Very important. I get laptop. When I will take the live stream, I'll put one video for background. I'll do one side. I'll they play and I'll they talk. Tomorrow now when I will come they do her that same thing now. She'll be people go say, Queen, because you are fighting for it. Because you are fighting for it. If they fight for it. Why not go fight for it to start with, by the way? Yes. Why no fight for her? The fight one. Now let me the fight for person for this media. The one where she they fight for me, una no they see her. The one where she they fight for me, una no they see her. Now so somebody come cut video come for me yesterday say, Queen Rita talk about people where draw tattoo. The other time I saw they cut one video come. Now una take cause quarrel between Queen Rita and the one where they France. And so I say she not call person name. Why una go the car, una carry the video come. Queen Rita talk about people where daughter too. You know say you daughter. I was like Ogun but Anahin. Who be this? Who be this? Quick introduce yourself. Avanu who gave value away with Fana. Anahin. Who let walking and 90% take come off from my WhatsApp. What was that for? Do you think you were just come from no you're confirmed? Do you know many people don't try to manipulate me on this media? You see me like person with the fees one hand they push. You see me like that. Now you mama where you come outside, EJ where you come out, you say you want come, you say you want come talk on Kurita matter. Say because say Kurita talk say you know the truth, but you don't want to talk. If Kurita tell you say you know the truth, you don't want to talk. You not go do like say you know ye. You know how many times you saga Monica for this extra word matter. I'm gonna buy feed maybe no beg me na. I'm gonna buy feed maybe no beg me na. Ni wa la we bona wa no. Iye ba ma ya no mani. Wetin that one me? It not be alone now with Monica get problem during that extra word saga. I be another person dey. O ma me see aroa. If you decide say you talk your own, fear not let Monica reply you because me know say Monica dey fear you. Yes, I know say Monica they fear you. You die the day where they bench or so. Monica they fear you because una two know herself where una know say na bench. Now Monica for still stay show glass. So my mind they tell me say maybe una first get connection for show glass, which is okay. You understand? Now you fair insult Monica. Now for you to come out to say Nelly Black no get right. Yes, now live there be children now. You understand? Now, Monica with Nelly Black, they get issue. And if you be better person, this part when we want to talk, so you get this part. Now listen to me and listen good. Amata mori abo wait all the abo. Or waiting a doleji. A team in we support, a group in we je, aro evawa, inyana agree. Nelly Black have contributed a lot of her effort, time, everything to Monica, which you know. Now Monica and Nelly Black get issue. If to say you be reasonable woman, if to say you get sense, if to say you deserve respect as an old promoter where you be. See how they talk for that kind of issue. You supposed to come out to say, a video ne, now when Nelly Black post image, now when Monica beta image ye dem chance what they busy, while wo waiting wa mwezo wa mimi na yezo, okpa mayaki ya meke na legberi. E mata na we nuwe yare we nu dokpa yotore because any here, eri dede, eri ave dede, iku ogbo we nuje, eri ya dice, e dede ni responsible, eri ya gwa. Wegi wa ladia Nelly Black ose meti wa ropa wo wa rongi Nelly Black ina ga presenter no me platform no we live video we me get all ladia do over bi wo hu nu we ya te nonsense ni we na we ku we o when we support any Monica Nelly Black ina we support Monica ezo kan wa sunu emi kan wa sunu we na wa betray them Nelly Black upa aha only we live video we lay what deba Monica when itself we deba so many CS no barina we you what deba Monica I want ta Nelly Black okpa wa mie spa no we wa gbene my sister we are you we delete so kwa which I will not blame you okwobo working you can write whatever you want. You can write and support whoever you want. And all of una do the same thing when Nelly Black do. Based on, you don't know that a Monica already here with a fake wahi. I'm a moki ari America. Oh ye a moki ye no. Monica already know that you people are fake. Yase gbe dedeni. Iwa love yeki. Worry love vese. Ata manota se over sabi make agbede shot. Worry love vese. Obi yeki no diun. Iwa love yeki. Iye won eku. Amayo de udemi la mune. ama e de we I moto no gi fina wo gi de na de gbe love in we ri mene. They love in we women na. Ama e de we I o wa bi 5 million year ki o we no gi love this. E love unu. E love e love e love iwe. E love o punu ne gbada unu we na mo agbadiga yere. Oni e love dey love ma. Ama mi o land this we den we yeki orun ai o neni yekuwa make no na me yeki make no na mo wa. Ama e won de wu mo o land this ne we no mu yo ayeku ma me wi mu no land this na jonu ya we saka. Ama mi e de wo bowe. Weni ume plan gbemen we wa gbo we 2020 e we revenge yi. Ugbemen ne Monica gbo we 2020 e we revenge yi. Maya emi ya. We know everything e revenge we give her. O see we are wa mi emi anagele we na ta e ogba yi ka ninu wa geni o support Monica so we. Yes now. Okpa ika nuweri ladin ado adeba Monica saga ni. Okpa ika or like Monica ni so we. Or they support Monica ni so we. How do you know you are a supporter? We bad we live video. Do I want to you want get attention? You want me view? Is that how to be a supporter? Or who want to wear data? On your buy way or man is a supporter? No. No. How do you support? Even if you don't own your, how do you, David, how do you organize things? How do you play a role to Monica platform? Nothing. Everything you do now your platform. For your own benefit, now you they do there. We know everything, my sister. Yeah, one large where we had that plane. Yeah, ukawa fi plane even 1950. Ola this is wakawa swan even 92. Nene mi wa bo wa yiso nokpa abe bege ropa wa o e la finu e support we wa beje unu ni we ya support a bege wa o e property no me a o e ho wa o ma ya hu that is e ho ma ya hu mama e bege e mi nu archive e ho ma ya wo do nu buje e ho ma ya hu mama e bege e ya support o ma we la wa dia do ati e bo nu wa la wa my sister. No we kaka wa wu weka la wa nge pe amu we opa ika ni onyo wa mu dia wo yan iye Monica opa ika pa ma pa we yan opa ni e support Monica o kian na die squad o relegbe we me squad we ma pe ne live video we ma we pe ne live video unu fan base we me unu squad we me a de we e biti so pa ika o mo ni go o me e ma ne no pa ika ni Enya by a camp of the way and we miss Sumuwa. Not be joke. I know the talk and I say I want to support anybody. I just the talk and see be. Opa ikani we are lose bomb by we yes you lose man. Where so jam on the view have mo pone vie iya mi o we ba son ya mi o we ba fun. Eni no wa gbin la avanuku da wa van we rufu we. We be do ladian we bere gbe mi get we get the like Monica we kwe the Monica lose gbe mi the oni because we all magun even pa ko bo we de fun a ba na dia my sister do agun awunu pe tan se gbe ya o ma mi ro pa fi agbo no we believe in action social media na hina talk and do e ma believe yi talk and do we na no ko na no we ka na e fase Monica we nu ya ku le malake o. When you tell me na ho na e fase Monica benu ya kulinya imalake uru enwe we me biti support when Monica je we not ebo me diwe we ma tu wana me egwan e ma oni ebe do ti ebo because Monica da wa we ti ebo ni me fo vetero wa we na Monica egwan ne fo wo ka ni kini agelegele o ma su pede unu pede no wi o na do defie ne vuna. But I'm telling you the way it should be. Iyo boni nu we fi we tu we une Monica iwa la kiye ki uwi yo bropa nu ni de tu me yo po we no ma gele ya me yo bo adobo mi Monica na we video na tie bo na temi no ko pa ika upu we we la dian we that agele we na ta iye ki is right Monica is eri o ma ya BF o ma no gele o ne platform mu di eri o BF o do video ni ne uli ekete my sister we wa we van ogbe woni video I we di oni an e wori ya chopa ika u chopa ika Kwa ikala wo de gbe ya wa balo nda wona we video ni ege mata wo no u me sure o magbon e fan sagbon tu asio wa koko u me sure o wa ni ovun e wa bi obire nu mo zaza nya hu nu mu gi o ma nu we fan so gaganati Zagagodo, mami no taba when it tene buenya when be do eti do saga we o. Eti do saga we because iwa the we they did not tell me boy be ono na. Wa respect egbuwa. Igewa. Wa respect egbuwa igewa. Mano saga equirita do analyze the video. Equirita no analyze the video. We be vonya mi. Equirita ga ya analyze the video vonya mi. A video ne Monica, the one analyze who wire. A video ne Monica analyze, not by analyze, not by toge, not by toge. Waropa de was the woman dollar where Monica go analyze. A matoge stave, what the one amune Monica. I tap Moyako Guayana away. Monica na mona munyahu. Ona dada kia. Bad day audio going on the larger weather. Audio, Yana the audio again. Ever a bad day audio be. Estave Puritanian issue. E social media yana wa ya jebe e me copyright soon. Wa ga be taba wa don me we queenie was here wa besta we can start because wa meeting we no can make can start because ni me na go we when start we ya ni ga pe picture we ya aye ya gogo me page wa gbe na gbu wa ho wa ma ho no Bana wa no me kwini wa kan yere ni yore na ala jado aso freedom veni na miamia veni me yo we gboro gbina na e social media na veni ba hu ye igba we ka ki o ni yore we Facebook na bi mega ba hu ya be awolowo ni be ya uwa ga be hu ego du we agi wa boy la janda so freedom wa ma bege ni mais va ho your banner where they fight for it. No. Those issues are something where concern me. When I hear copyright tester, picture get be me page say. When me la dia do talk me western get me nigga pass through again ya promote you. Esta ma we la dia mu beg anybody or see any na gbe. Yes. Or see any na saga I want my igba ya wa ina. O me yo bopa mu bi me ma go me dey the biscuit. E ho me ya ogu we me go me moto mu me so dede. So I will not take that nonsense from you. But respect me, respect you, respect is in hypocrite in kwala wa le kwa mu wa we dede so ni gbipan. Ave dede so ni gbipan. We support ma iri like yeki. Iwe mi yeki we dem my sister agele we na time ani pa wa de obungbe. Obo we ai do amie wo na. Ivie no ro wo pa ni yamudiawa. O wokpa o ni yamudiawa based on what to do. Emi ne be ma ibe kai ni ma be do ta wi do betray dey do gbe yese o do we no pa. Vie yare ba. Rudu we ma no man we jaba. Awe ara gele we na ta o ma no so bo mama. O ma se o ma no so bo maria. Gweni no watani we mo igigele laki yeki. Iwe mi yeki gbe wa so la de uma la wowo. Eneni yeki o wa so bu we dia. O so bo we dia ma yakpa. Opa ikana no wa kena. Tu wa ya digwe ma wa digwe nya. Wa ye kwe de poezi opa ikaga pa. Wakata we to we chon. Opa ika olode chon ni. O ma 90 buy wa we ponu wa agbe na every 3 days. Ego ebiti so baika. Wa ma baika we Facebook na. Ugwa na mi o wa mi gas name o. I ke atioma edede na skata. Oga ke nu wa anwe wo ni wa mi ke na ge zaga. Except o ma mu egbe o ere mudu ni. O baika na gele mu egbe we ma na ya afiere yo. O fiere yo baika wa ku we na ko jina. Even wa pe ma ko baika o baika of social media like I don't get it. Where he ladian, ivie SB, not paladia, SMB, ivie sana power tapping, wana vigo yakbo, ivie san sopa chat wana vigo yakbo, ivie sanga je committee, ye mi, ye renaga gwina money tonight, wana ga go, wana ga jealousy. First time if you we at want take buwa ma wa we e san ma hi ma vie do ma de ba vie do gbe san ma wa be side ma when ma beta we am ne san mi nya ka gbe san only all those on a traditional before ege na if you san ni me wa me kata mo be do opa no wari do me party jollof rice o me mi wa no le gbo e ime iwa we vi san ve na we mi ma if you san ma gbe my people iya ma gbe ana wo na dede dan na me mi ati e na o kwa la de pe wa yi so le tarara o ma chi ve mi ro pa gbo mama we o mo da o me yeke emi no so bo mama o ma se no so bo maria e Monica nu we ya mo Monica nya hu Monica e ma ro pa gire wa e ma gbon we ma so gba ika we o ma gbon we hin o ma lose money ogba ika o e wi yen lose ni o ma lose we notice thank you my lady we ge no ma so pa no we na gi aye yu ye tin wo pa se ti gbinigbini Monica la wa nu ge pe am we my sister edede me no ona edede ma edede wa ri hin iye de o de jove de ba wo se ya ni gbe we de odi niyan o tin me gun me gbe bai. Thank you, Mama Sophia, for the star. Thank you, my lady. God bless you. Thank you. And what I call the time on I maybe if they support Kurita, no, this one I just plain truth. When in the day in way badoladia, we mammy came na revenge. A saga and way by Monica, we ba gege, or do de Monica mu when they ho, when they baladia, Rita, la Jana Gulo, Rita, la Jana Gulo, Rita, Eveta Pirata, Evena Canapara, la wa my sister, Kurita Sienuje, and when I know who be camp Monica, Kurita River, a Kurita Guare Campiva. Do my even Yakulinia Gweta Mawe, or Sevos Yagagui, Bogeva, Boge Asiva, or $1. Ma boge va seva o $1 when we wa gba seni o iko ni re UK iko so France Monica ni re UK do ma gbon we hin when Monica vi an ga ni shu when Monica wo gbon so or the osie Morocco Monica gbon so osie Morocco do wa my understand go interpret Monica ma we beg eze for se na gba kan ne de we be face of hu ya ye pakapaka. Or swan go where they betray me, they're no good, maybe they go, no, where kwamo emoji geyo, or if you like do a coat, my sister on Emma, only we watch a bonava, you can wear me milk of your bedro, bomb venia now, I owe your money, you understand? Then the devil were given a be a vemetam winner. Why, if you're not love one was off one mujanity, who makes you not but or tell me, the Guawaga. Me what ya we be mara yen se wa remotely flu u gwale mi okwa fia la we meti repair anything we ti dole mi ro paji muria e we waje ye ladia mo ila ki yakise iwa la ki yaki umade la ke because we like la gbo be mi ne ba wo do gbe keke. That's just the main fact. We are wa ku la gbo ya fo ne ban we o yan do gbe Monica ni keke na today na me love her pass na me like her pass iri we mo o ri o me wa no iwa mi na mi o ma like o ma no like o operate we no ma ya increase then no that fe Monica na e admin we maybe we have a saga Monica ni sister Meka de deni no ro ni awon yan we mi ye kise iwe de no da fe Monica na e admin we uwe to bu we uwe agbe Monica ni uwe te we Monica fuck up you live video uwe te we Monica ma yin fuck up o se down him o si egwe ayi wata Monica tie me awun yen tie me yi o tie we okay wo pa mi special na special ni ke my special ma boy wa gbon we fun wa de gbon we fun wa gbon de emi wata we do ku onu na e mata na ma de camping e British Ogbaika wala jando ta we iwie san e bede e te British Ogbaika neni ku weke when a platform in a British Ogbaika really are support we to we am we yes o ma re na E social media, yes. E vina miye wa ya we saga. Unu, ume levo, ume swag, ume mnokpa. We swag de nokba ikamu hiyan. We ma gba ikawe live video na. Because of where I like not what I adore the old or adopt you na mama. I know say everybody gets you upside down. And you know that Ogbaika can never sit down and support you to beat Asa. Adiana the avenue. Ogbaika erase this. In short, also any year to the Buna come play battle way. Erase this okay. Ye on can be Asa. So if you want to become Ogbaika friend, know that you are ready to accept all Asa people. Una we don't know we resist essay can Ogbaika ye. Because all you any wrong or wrong, Ogbaika can never support you against our own. Forget where maybe or you have a lad and we're going to my glass here where I don't know what they happen. Iyanti ene, yes, and iyanti anyway, mama. Okona no work up begbernani at Monica na. Aso I feel begbe o malake no behave. A video ni view when in the day no rebenjo was on analyze a video ni. A video ni view ni viesan. A battle word was the woman analyze the video ni we rule la dia ubado akpore Nelly Black ye meni ago edema o veni meje meveti opinion me yo yes opinion wo we bogbe Monica kwere Monica made ono say we we wa mo bogbe okay we get opinion we yo na go free what's the we do Nelly Black ye we kunwe emi no ni ta makeke no ni tore go free. What kind do I the latest and the zaga when a pride come before downfall a be away do move work benya sister Meka knock your man and no raw no rebenjo I work be away do move benya when wow kati na wow wa me gbon wa de there be a kadwa so kakbuya metwenya wa e redu wa gba a social media na is talk your own talk I talk your own I talk my own. Yeah, go Baladian. A fancy Monica ya walking, man, ya with Alimaji, man, Kenolije, or Ladian. My book, almost all the presenters. Man, no see my way, Purita, or a take a national memory, mamma. My book, be fancy Monica ya for my book, beya. I wait fancy Monica no. Oh, we are, Monica ba. Oh, go ya mesta ve body. Was the near night change, Was the near enemy? He didn't know my boy, and I'm a book, baby. Me wase bana we hiya madam wame ge nwine rezaba moyi wame ubi ayi goji na social media na atafune na la bed ya veshi kila jawo pa we no keke ala bed du me kia wo wa be sane we na wate ke personal ku ya wasun ku ba nwine re na we go bonokpa me wa we je bonokpa no re bejo wa we if they say me the talker na Nelly Black na wrong na Nelly Black David and Nelly Black ya wrong here and no we ban ya we do tell when Nelly Black ya wrong here while ladian when those things we call the right you not supposed to write you the thing where you come to talk nobody they feed me I get right to talk what I like any as I like now go talk e matter na go na ta Esther or wrongy Esther or women Esther not down I get the right in when we do at a video even when I couple way boss we mass or mass support side in when we got tani madam why we meet me although may blame one do e mani ma wa me be so nene awa be so no me be do ranya we iyana e mate presenter na isaba mo even wa be yana ni se moroko ni won ge kankan wo wa me mo ge kankan e de ni ya wa be no mo pa ya wo ka e ya wa be do ke ya no ma e de ni ya ma no ma we do imagine we e mate na mate se no se so iyan si ezo gbara gbari oye we na ifimi wa we iyan ga jo na ko we be iyan la din ya do agie iyan do agie be ni ana miamia we e fanse so ro di ma de bi ese na so ba me sagana oye we no wo gba ikawe Monica sun we ni awa iva wa separate na anokpa ika let me advise you with this video let me advise you with this video o ma ga ihin o mani o idole mi you no when I do reply Monica on the first time Monica ya gbo Baika this message is for you on the first time ni Monica ya gbo on the first time ni Monica we France ore ya gbo wa ni vie san ni le rien wa mate on wa pay attention il vient à la John le vivie sans o mo pa ni vie wa o veve dere oni so te yana be do atawe kodofe Monica or insult or ovie because of that fe Monica ovie sana okay then if you we video ni nseni we no wa ro vie sani we ya and the Monica we awe ne di black cause nenemi inyabun eneni ya ma oni atie ni ya cause ya me wa be Veni vie roviani, thanks for joining my lady Mama Gloria. Veni vie roviani, pe Monica no we video nothing we or the bay active we vie, na no tana o matter say. If you son on the platform, you ya bung do apologize. E so mo we do apologize. If you tie Monica no, or tio no des, oh you veni meje, me awe we no wrong give against the fancy Kurita. Pa Kurita ya time queen. Agume gwansa we video so e fancy me ya compliment me boss no iwe mama wata owe do apologize they na apology one me iwa ko order la video che yo mama people mo no verse me kai na mu ye fridge ma keme ya mu ye fridge keme ya ina wasupo pawo o fie nije apologize make sure we yesinya ye forgive me yes. But all the Monica jeveli ho. Ha ba ti e bo ni vie san. Ya give yere. Monica ate Monica ma no. Ha ba ti e bo ni vie san. Ya give yere. Thanks for joining mama socket. Thanks for joining my lady. Ha ba ro mi vie san. Ya give yere. Na first time, na second time, na third time. Even me ne ma ro vie san. Why me de me wana dia igwadu atie boni bi san even the time where they talk say a palace the agai o a king there a king ruro mi o nene mi o nokpa this no ye wetin talk maybe me ti gbe san because okpa no le party jollof rice bi do me man o san no ye ti to ru ya to ru to wa be do wa the social media iyale lo viere gbe o ma we mi dan there Eri metamu wa. Awa ivia wa we nenemi Monica ba wa lock up papa wa we na megi ma. Ni vie na do correct black nenemi ne black na. O vie ni vie na gbevie san unu gba wa bebe dewe Monica do shoni vie we don't ever try it. Forget it, my sister. I'm going to be back in a year more. And the good damn nonsense we are here, Bonnie, son. Then when on that female, yes, son. A fancy me, yes, I be just a back. I have a year like SAB, a sunny boy, a sunny nenny, a sunny snake. And the yes, on the platform, Monica, I'm love and like you. Na. And she said that some people are snake. I called her mama snake. She blocked me. You see, Mary Ojo, my lady. Monica atawi or make Monica now see waiting in the black they post. But the video where he viated the bully some people since. If not for anybody, just because of this Nelly Black, Mama Beatrice and the rest, other men them. Monica must not live video with you. Don't do this. Do apologize. Enzo are already now. You don't take it personal. Anyone you raw, have any cow, have your way, have or by man or bedwa talk way, they will look to it. Okay, my head, my tafia makweje social media, a palace or mateke no kama. Women and my Yawesa Ghana or mateke ma fear ye baby video. Do apologize in the viesan. Or mateke ne Monica we back in on a fear for. But Orisoge. The black on a bere, a bit of bike, I make it no viera beta, a Monica na bere, way, you will be a dede. I know you be scared. Even if for one the time Monica way, giving the Beatrice Itavi yeke well, a Beatrice Bawa, a Beatrice who were not bow, every zig way, ever Gieka well at Janani bere. Gieka well at Janani bere. Because a Monica mo bena you Tony, or we may need DVS have a platform away. So, all my Asian brothers and sisters, ni re platform Monica, wa ko find a wo. Go to anywhere you like and stay. Go to anywhere, any platform on this media that you like, that you find your peace. Ekenana ewe yes or managbo. Ewa kin okpa mayahin. Okpa mayahin. We are all one. And why you support one or man or any slight opportunity of one to a snake. Then wamana eka me. Wamaeti me. No man de no for the no rebenjo. No tie be woke elderly woman. No me when you go woke as a elderly woman. Okpa wa yakin aro eva agbipoge aseva wa dolo. Agele when ata neni blacky or what wrongy noni black on a down one. Only a no way. Only a no way, madam. They even if for not wrongy. When we are tired, we are do trigger a matter. Then me ya China. When we are do tie radio. Oh, we are ya trigger a matter. The best thing to do why they we what me matter for I making a leg baby okpa ma yahin. Why yezo? We lad we do pass a blame. No where we video no we have Monica or we we I blame we wo. They that for there. No way are we Monica. We are nobody they feed me. When one beg me na e ma tell me. I'm a video pa no ko ni wa o ko ni e wa do hate. O ko ni dedeni. Why do you seem upset today? Queen, why do you seem upset today? Me? I'm Jessica. Are they upset with who? And not is a any innocent person when still they go Monica page to support Monica after she don't insult innocent people. Now God go punish you want. And now pain you go take live there. You see? You see, Isha people are really angry. My lady, I'm not the upset. I don't go post good sis. Na modena. My have good to name and see very small thing. Hey, upset you with when Monica you may upset Monica matter they make me laugh. Why would they upset for waiting? Una they guess me. Hey, the Denny, we marry ladian we Why radio? Gay. I say elderly woman. And then the black gay and the black la wo go vije wo we born la o everywhere la wo igbon we ma no gbon ni say no gbe ni he say okay you no just the joke they laugh he say you know the joke me when wahala be like don't praise they find my friendship to gwale laugh be I don't laugh for you even if I laugh how you take see me I not be human you understand. So now so it be. We have gay the black la go we share the big movie la go la or worry Monica. Dio ma yawu. Even if me know your mama that kind bring but as a elderly woman. Now waiting you supposed to they do we go they learn from you. When we were back concerning when they gile no back on. Well okay. Okay, Dio kona ya ti say to matter this is on a powerful one take one no. Oh now or stop wow. Well no bani me mwe sage e momi yore. Pwa! Saba me we down. Oh no ba yore. Unu bani me mwe sage yore we e queen total. You know how many times I stopped their saga. May I can't tell you. This is why they talk so. She has said she know she come on. You know how many times. When me stop their saga, nobody called waiting this up. Now let me code. Move do you many times. Before I can do ta okay. Me as a stop a don't lot of again. I know many times I would stop even when they know that all those Monica fans will go they post all those one fans write up everything. I would stop and they stop. When you see say I don't stop something again, you know say I don't already so yeah. Now what but most time no rock but when I have day which can't be on this one. They are going when they saga na can belonging. Now you tell say everything will scatter. Because a query time about day online. That's the truth. She know they do online. I mean they do online 247. If I say others people don't they fuck up, they don't they post. Me now go come by the you understand. I'll call they block those saga. May I will video later where you know two of them not the quarrel whatever they not me that you know ya go anything not really ta anything not really like we not ta we not the this not the pain on you understand. Wọ́n ló gbani me ko nse mi atagbe igba la tin pa ya ni ya ati ni te gbe owe pẹ̀lú ke ko lo be ko su we ko ebi ti so pa ikane o We are me dia. We no for me now wo mass uma. You be the real snake. Snake get snake. Ebi ewe wahi. Ebi euhi. We di ne dede ni. Ye like ulakoma. Uma ebi go ne de ya defu e moto. They no na don le page where we are devant. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Yeah. Why do ne be Facebook we ya te money ko ya ta lo re mai. Ya mu e ma hu ya mai. We la Diana. O ma no ma de kuro no se kenuje. Kudita no wa ko ge. We no la re no wa vado e ku emu we. Ayewe saga dedeka. Saga no we do de mani bu ezanzan 2021 ave ya bu e bano. We ma ti now ma ya ti revenge. E kere we ya ta fie video. Emi no wa me eve 2021. Emi no wa me eve 2021. Emi wa me eve 2020. Emi wa me eve 2020. We revenge e wan san for on gbe oke mani ko ni kwewe. Cause ma ya bu e bun aye. Revenge ya wan san for on ne gbe oke mani kwe. Eman we work boy na we be san boy we fan sa we ga the money me de money kan we ga the money ka ya saga we opa ikana ba we fan so re o support Monica ni ya saga we ni the money kan we ba ni we yeje na say na come better copy the let's say cost five so daddy mama will say video analyze. Before this, the day when they Belgium come out, so now one get for Italy, na efe come out. Oni ni ya wo or wa mudia on yaga. Ya wait on yaga, ya wa short kakabo. I mean, I never know whether that one short. Na never stand for the. Ya wait on ye tepu. Ya why we mani tepu? Ya iho. Or say what be condition oni wa re salo bo saga we no carry go na wa go yi we one menu total ni winere ya gboa. Ekaja kare so all ready na ya ma be there on in live video ga je ona wagu one guy ma wa mi dan kwa one guy iyo de live video area nya wa ya twisi ona wagu wi ana nyaga whenever roto abegwe wa adebania uwe dekere urunwaga wa gowa abona de mai abona that thing where you do so na my fellow woman or Italy video ni we uni ora imo we gbe video ni ban do ya mo bogbe presenter si iya be side Monica ya fe ni live video na ati ke Monica we they don't send na make it can they curse me na Rita send na make it can they curse me whereas Monica o wa me we kan na lazime ne ya ribai o nye ka be saga me Monica o mo bogun aye matime saga gbe megbe da so ga na so no me ni Monica saga yan ni yan mi we o yan saga e we regbe o Monica gbadu awu tanga ga ni mi abete ya le de Monica o Monica of 8 years ago ga mi ati wa mi Monica mo pisho mi la dian o wa panic iwa gbun yo ha iwa 8 years ago Monica na ye bogbo wa ni aye bogbo ran re ni won be ti yen gi so pa se ni mo boyan na mo eti e bogbe me yen na mo eti e bogbe me yen na mo eti e bogbe me e won to ya na mo bogbo o go ta ya na ye bogbo o Monica ye we that time me we inakpa no Monica gboku your saga is the least he say na epilepsy by the guy no be cardiac okay what you call cardiac arrest melon academy ya no we bona there's different epilepsy we can the same thing. It's just that here code that's an song. All know the changes. Let them not even do be a presenter panya go never we bonania. A presenter says so iya kwa going nere. War shot unanyaga. Wado kwa waitana, my sister. Wata. Wewe tuwe guwe. Waike agadi gaidi we bon dewa cha blast. Nuwa we sige bokwa. Abulasi be do ta dada mu woto amu wa respect ba minere e boni we ti we me no say we she don't first saga you before that me no they give that one attention my people I know they give her attention even though she saga me I know give her attention you get people when me dey me gwale our faith on igba kan Ni ada ye we can pa de 20 we zubu ozubu pa we dem wa me ya go zubu. People they do go front I can't go they find with my back. And people wait my back make they line up they come when you day. Me roda o here. Isha. You get person where that one never saga for this Edo Saba space, my lady. She don't saga everybody. She don't saga everybody. Oni, I waiting Egbenane Monica. Then Monica we do ya sang boni ni ha. I will wear I don't know say na so she be. I wish I know. I for no near. When me come mad, come do video talk say Monica, the way you they beat your supporters is becoming so alarming. It's becoming so alarming. Eh? Every month, you just the beat. All we're changing. Even this Obaika where she don't beat go now. Next week already do bore. Next week already do ya sang bore. When I just say Monica don't know what she they do because of the views. Because of the views. You go no like they. Eh ya do any. As Monica, there's one say Monica hates me. As that Monica, there's one say he hates me. Me, I know people will hate me. E Monica, wa me mati me wo ye o dana. Ya ma wo we return about GA. Elede la remani ya ku $10. O wa we the video, wa plug yo. Oh we. So this frog, this one a frog. 9B. This one begin. So this frog come bite this cockroach. And this cockroach can say, ya waga iwani wa screwbera. A screwbera. Aga mami we mi Monica. Because we video me la di. Aga ne da ijena. The day when me just beat I go you be like you want total. You know say this Nelly Black matter. People every day might say, Queen, you not talk for this matter. Queen, you not involved for this matter. You know why I not talk with? Because I just look and say matter not really there. Okwoni no rebencho te make sense that's all. Because they told me since. O me ken okwo ba na ye gbe you. If me we be small pikin not even get interest for this issue. Imagine dede ni. Wo igwa no hiam we matana. Dede ibu we akwen go dede gbe na lo ben ro pa ye gbe. Egbe na lo ben ro pa ye gbe. U siri ran vi ni e o we ya. Ebu we awe saka. Bu we akwen go be de gbe we bu. Iyon se awe o pe 30 years e o we gbe we bu na. Ege no wa keke we ya fi moto le go avi mo je school. Ke wa pa la we garden relax. Ebu we adwa bishan. Upe me gbe me, upe me ku e mu pe ata na. Iwo ma gbe ba dele madan. E mu pata na. E me gu e we ni bu o we me ri yon nu we ni mu ere kan. Imu e ga majena abi reward e majena. Uwe ga mama jena. Uwe owe mani do age you anywhere. Inya wa love you we are not getting any love with the account la Diani donate 1 million we. Where do wa we bench we jiwa. Where the account la Diani never ro wonu we ni mo erega. Wa be amigo be fancy we ni mo erega. The account la Diani gin adoni go you. That's what we call fan base. You no get. Umene but ume fan base. Uwe te fancy we ni my way on me ye ohi. Nene fancy we iyan le wa gbera iyan dade ni iyan wa be mi meki awu e bezo meki awu manibula ke meki awu iyan wa be do gie we ba dey account la jan we mo na put 100,000 do am no dey no we my post me dey we ala Facebook my post glass dey we fancy then we. That's to show that you are doing the wrong thing. Emi nu we fancy man like Emi nu e fancy man like they are not proud of you. A video no do am eti total ebe di wash ewu. A video na eti mu ibieka to we my baby come and watch ibieka na do watch a video na ewu but I said the day you supposed to be doing video na we a video we mani ibieka or ibieka ni we gini me dien we ya iya be ya le. Mero wono iweru epo. Obo to ya unu we ni aka ya be unu oto ya unu ot ya obo. Madan la wa we una wa ni mote Monica fe reverse Monica no unu kiro no jilawa wa igbe kari afo ne bania we ge mi ro imano pa ile ba du o pa ikana no wa pa na Ogbaika, if you go back, una go back, una down, una go back. If you san when you might ya sangele boue. Why? I can't bava, ou pas conseil, I can't bava. Then Monica a disgrace where. They no go you feel they do your content, you they dance, you they cook. You they dance, you they cook. Even your me even like Ogbaika video pass Monica video. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Aba we not planning no wina shawo wa money the day ki o ma yegbele kondo. A video Ogbaika na me like say ya. And who gbe me anyone only sending no one more the live video wa check because Ogbaika is a person no for me way or take spiritual video. Based on what was saying, I don't want to offend my friends. I don't want to offend my friends. Oh, see, Ogbaika can always pick a fight with a credit. And you have a credit as well. What you can Ogbaika can credit? Eh? Based on avenene yotiku. No panu gagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagagag ni wa we you know na do ye bi yen betray waya on fait que nous waya mu gbo to no baika no baika e ton serve social media na ma baika e dede skata one and only o magba we fa ari gbera kene ni jawe mama idigwe to o kero la video ka to o ka to ne because of baika o we ne de gbe igbe o re ya no ragbon no re mi no baika ji me o do to o my people me no o my come kan o my come kan so me do to but now we ogbudu weni baika or your ogbudu weni of this social media. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Baika si ere Monica made. Di yobo ne Monica me no de no baika. Di yobo pa ne Monica me no de no baika. E fancy ya no me ba baika nyanya. Wa ma vi ata we no pa no re UK we Monica gwi. Baika ona vie France ore ya fefefe ona vie ogie Monica gele abe France ni yanania Monica ido aya sangbe akaka ikeke amane obo ifiege ne repiera egede na gele agbe Monica wegede Monica mese o mese iri edo ka kikinye fifua iri edo wa kiki we mana my resist we will not be resist Matinya we o give I lolo ya so ni lolo yo na saga imate bon anybody ni gani ave lolo we gani eri ma wa we lolo Monica wo nu na lolo na wa so dede gbo ni wa so o wa mo bible la ni bible no ko bible no wa ti gba tebu na oni wa so ma ni vie do na we rescue o lolo we la ro pa ma ya hin Monica ti esana snake esana ezembe esana ni ma ya we di lolo kegbe keke we amane e lolo na we fi obo ni ma that don't we aroge so far ama iso legbe pa ikana we ivie do na wa mi o wa do gbe Monica video o ni na pa bezo nya we lolo ka we mezo pa ikana vi fan so na fi ogie Monica pa ikani we fan so we o gbina le Monica we Facebook na ikeke gi manewu asan Monica ya gbiyan dedegbe edede na skata edede na this one edede na nwishi edede na roborobo edede na nyashi edede na de wa ya san gba we no gba ikani wa we kiyo mai so wa ya san gbe ginuto gbe we ni ma make sense. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Gbe we ni ma make sense. Even if Monica walk by kai ni if you na whether Monica how will Monica feel if you na whether Monica how will Monica feel a matter not by come de wrong. By even try to control it for where it did not benjori na machete to over sabi gwese no you is baba all one they expect be ban when they did ebun we had one me I not get anybody I had the talk I were rice area even we tax if it more than you wa uweza ngoma wa ya Monica we di dota ma wa o de no re benjo no ro iwo aye Monica fi okin pa mo jine uwe wa ula wa uya ki uya gbon we mi nenia eri mo se opa ikana pate wa weke ni re UK abenika gbe fufu ane don't think they will still take her serious. You never draw any clues. That is one thing you don't know. Oma saga oma ne when you invade bedo aku. He could make it like fresh. And maybe no am pretend they say no am fake say. You understand? So walk back kena o. No re benjo. AKA na me love you ear keepers. Iwu walk back ke. I will have a wavivi or ikewa. May if your hand do I next target to win. I will go, madam. I am in where you avenge ye. Wana, oh, have you way forgiveness is a sin, we can waje. A Monica wani wamalaka, but buwae, different years, 2020, 2018, veya, who waya so your wigby. Wago go bawa, but why Monica, wamaka Monica to ori. Also, Monica Sagabe me lava. He lava. Oh, go better. You better than Matty, we are Queenie, a Monica. Or what table no, though, or so anyway. Emenata be fancy many from UK na we oga so ni no we na we boy gata wo ga ma bogbo giame ina wo yan wan ye ga te bo na ma de we believe we be Monica set gbe me o ma na mo 11 we bogbe we me o eso e bo ni amu gbe yen eso ni ado seni ye na say Monica is the least of my problems ya e ga gbe me we no ya saga we wani ma de kan we na no $10 we go alo gba ne bon lawa yeah. Monica mi onje no bo mi sadi do wa ma no wan o me saga hono ga go fin o go supalo agun ayo e kwirita agun aye mata e reso do ni un ladian e ma be no re bejo be ya fe wa gogun ayo analysis e mata anybody no ne kwirita we wa gogun aye mata no na analysis o mani ugbo horagbo Ugbo ho kan agbuwa except you wa agwaye matter and wa me social wa agwaye matter is normal so far wa agwaye matter ugwa maturely they could it analyze the matter no time maturely a matter no run we might it time mama no rebenjo e could it ata e biti so gba ika wa ye gbo evie po bana they will we evie no ho na daji bohina ta age we ba no kan gba 70 years Wow, vana dede. Emi le kuritata. Dede maito boy we do bere ni awe. Penny eje ye mani de anybody. Ema roshi gele ta roshe dede. Yes. A roshe okbaika. Ema roshe. Okbaika is a big tools. A tools no. Imege ma the social media na. A bad with platform. Let me just tell you something. Unaga a presenter honwa nukpewe upele. I tous in social media na me tous e mano e tous with social media na yin ya when it came wa bai kai just that why you rushing e ma ro no e tous wa mo pa ke kan we yes mo pa o pa kai se tous me ita mo wana pa no ma e social media o e tous o bai kai se solid tous o pa ka ta mo e boy de we gba we fo ai boy de e uwe ni no wari gbe mi do ke una gba shawo le ya wa we saka utale ya fefe we no gba pa ya zin kya yo ni san we ya fe ra fule gbo we ti we saka o ma gbon we hin tusu we lawa my sister lawa ko ona ma we se no siezo lawa ma so ni o ma wa wu we ka ika bo wa we do gbu e ika bo do gbu e iwa do gbu e direct e ni me ye church mind me ya tana cause my insult anybody ni all of na where they look me so na see as I no shot anybody e want an remata na wa ekota wa ya gbalo mi ya solo o ya de la wa e tu sa gbon we ki we a rush le lo ma video ni we be ogba ika rush when we so ye friendship ba ka so video ba ka say powerful tools no be say joke na few presenters na get that power for this media I know them why are they social or say why am anything why am they strategize why am anything Monica looks up by Kanu Refo. Yet to be on Monica. He made some when I do or who do pretend without kati. Wa lose up by car on your way for. It been where there is one. Yes, I'm buwere. Ya buefo. This is nana way on your shocking. They never want to talk based on the they say or pike I will see go back, go chop your vomit. Or you will go see chop your vomit. Make the your fair code now no say yes, you to bike don't separate, don't separate. no anga we ni san ya bouncing and we do sabas special do make it out they man ready man if you do a problem well did you something that problem well adomio na pa ni o kisa no wa so ni we na pa di yen wa gun na pa he said queen no blame them they are a two-way day with Monica. That's why then they fear. No blame them. Some people say a two-way day with Monica. So what? Ni do adele kunita we do awesa Ghana munye. Tu inya. Ukpo na winya bobo no bo vie tu inya ni ya we shira inya save madam fo ne. Anagbo bobo. Obi obo hie pastor. Who are me ami ya. Obi obo hie pastor etu ewe ya adien ya yo viahe adien giahe iya mami etiwe etuwe iya mami etuwe na kwa mi saga papa o me eji no wa ise saga na ni meuna emi no ji me anything make me yours